Hello everyone, I'm back and we're going to start a new application, and this is going to be a very short video. So this application that we are going to work together is about Pomodoro technique, and I think it's better to first look what is Pomodoro technique. The Pomodoro technique is a time management method where you work in 25 minutes focus time, then after there will be a 5 minutes break, and it helps improving the productivity, and it prevents burnout. So this is what we are going to work on, and if you search, there are many different applications like that, but the purpose of what we are doing is first learning, second to provide some good to provide a good quality app to the user, right? And we first start with for the Android only, then we try to use KMP and have the same application for the iOS. And the plan is that, so it is going to be a very simple application, right? That's why it's better to I chose this app so to also have it for the iOS and learn how we can work with the KMP and how successfully or not successfully we can have it for the both platforms together. It is going to be a huge success if we are able to do that, but let's see how it goes. And let's look at the design. So this is the first design that we came up with my friend. So I wasn't much satisfied with the design, so we worked a little bit more and we ended up something like this, almost there, but we weren't still happy. And this is going to be a main screen of the application. It is, as I said, it is going to be a very simple app because the main focus is just learning, and after learning KMP, which is something that I really wanted to try on production and see how it goes and what are the problems with this KMP thingy. So it is a very simple application, and when user press on the start, we will have a timer, another timer like Eggmaster. You see that we all must have the same components but with different designs, which is going to be very helpful for us because we already have done like Eggmaster, which also has a service, background service, and we have almost the same component. Everything, most of the logic would be the same, but there is one change here, and that is about this character. So this app is going to have a character with the user. So this character, as you can see, it is a Tomaten. The name of the character, I'm thinking of like having it as Tommy or Tomaten again. And so this Tommy or Tomaten can it can laugh, it can be happy, it can be sad, it can be like excited, it can be like very much happy to the user. It according to how user is. For example, if they finish 25 minutes, this Tommy thingy, this character will be happy, otherwise not, and it will be sad. And as you can see here, we have this character in all the screens, and the main thing is that I want to give this character a little bit of like sense of like a living, like it reacts to the user actions. It moves a little bit if even the user is not doing anything to it, like a little bit of very slow movement, like like the character is breathing or something like that. But let's see how much we can do, how much we can play with it. So that's the whole idea to bring this. So we're gonna learn like compose animation a little more deeper, and we will have this Tomaten as something that we have to react to the user at every screens, and it should follow the user wherever user goes to. And so that's the whole idea, that we are going to have a character to give a life to a character that we have, which it can smile, as I said, be sad and be excited, and like a jump on the screen, something like that. But I'm not sure how much success we're gonna gain along the way, but let's see how it goes. And as we discussed, this is going to be also for the iOS with using KMP. Let's see how many a restriction we will face on the way. So that's it. Let's go and check the features of the application for the first edition, which is going to be MVP of the app. So it is going to be task based. User can choose from like a 4 or 5 different very simple, easy tasks, which is like working or sport or like entertainment or learning, studying or something like that. And there will be predefined. The other one that we will need to have is focus inside to tell the user like the reports and trends and how much productive the user has been during like a past month, something like that. And we will have white noises like a coffee shop noising. If you go there is like a noise, so some people they like when they have this app running, they want to focus, and this most of the time it's like the one that we only need to have just like bring a noise, a white noise, so user can focus more deeper into what they are doing. It should be multi-device, it should support multi-device syncing. So because of that, we will have authentication. We are going to use like Google login or like some very predefined services from Firebase I'm planning to use, and customized timer. And user can, for example, with the Pomodoro technique, so user should go, for example, only 25 minutes, then 5 minutes break. But here we want to have a little bit flexibility, so user can choose different time. And the main focus, as I said, is the simplicity. So, for example, here you don't see any stop button, but if you hold on the screen, then we can stop the timer, right? So that's why we don't have much buttons on the screen itself, so it is going to be much easier. So that's it. And the other part that which is very important, so from your feedbacks I understood that it is not that good to have like explain all the components. For example, the start button, the focus button, working on these components, so we don't need to focus and have it in a video. So that's why mainly I'm gonna focus on like the components. For example, this character Tomaten, I'm gonna focus more, not only focusing on some complex, not complex or interesting components or interesting part of the application. That's why I'm going to, I hope that more user would be able to watch and they can just literally just ignore the part, we can ignore the part that is not that interesting. So I guess that is all, and in the next video we're gonna start with this application. Most probably we will start with the authentication, then we will go with the character that we have, the Tommy or Tomaten. I don't know which name we will choose, and yeah, let's see how it goes. I hope it goes faster this time, but remember that I have to also work, so I have a full-time I have to work for the office also. So let's see how it goes. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video. Thank you.